Hey guys, what's up? So in this video, I'm going to be talking about the different stages of being a consultant. So right now, I'm getting really deep into consulting. My goal is to create 50 success stories. So I'm basically trying to master the skill of being a consultant and passing on what I learned and what I've been able to achieve with e-commerce onto people who want to succeed in e-commerce. So I've been going through Sam Oven's course and I just want to pass on something that I've learned. And this is the general stages of a consultant. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stages of a consultant, and I'm going to take you guys through them and just show you guys what is possible when you then master a skill and then you go on to teaching people that skill. So first, people start off as a general consultant, meaning you literally do anything. You're a general consultant, you don't have any specialty, and you do everything from making ads, making websites, doing email marketing. You literally do everything, product design, making logos, everything. And then this could get you, under 100k. If you're sort of grinding and doing this day in, day out, you could probably make under 6 figures helping people within a certain niche. So in this example, it's the online space. Then you would move up to niche consulting. So by the way, this is sort of like a ladder. This is the evolution. You want to start from the bottom and work your way up. Obviously, some people can skip a few steps, but generally you want to follow these steps because you won't be able to get to the next step without having completed and mastered the previous step. Because you need to be a general consultant to sort of learn a bit of everything to find what is good for you and actually master the skill. Like it's a do for you task where you're literally doing the task for the client, and by doing that you're getting better and better and better. So niche consulting, meaning you start picking a niche. In this example, it's you start running ads. That's your niche. You help people with the ads. Your niche could be help people making a website, help people do email marketing. And this doesn't have to be just in the internet marketing space. This definitely could be in for like fitness, social media marketing, growing Instagram accounts. This could be done for literally anything, and the same evolution applies. So you become a niche, but you're still doing it for them. You're running the ads, you're doing it for them just because it's easier to create results. And as I said previously, you're building up your skills and you're getting better and better. Then you level up to, instead of do for you, you do with you. So instead of running the ads, you are advising them how to sort of set up the ads, and all you do is like say monitor the ads, scale, increase budget, stuff like that. So it's sort of like a 50-50 split on the workload. Then eventually you move up to just one-on-one. All you do is just you're hands off and you're just giving them advice. At this stage, you've done so much ads using the example we have. If you are in a different niche, apply it to your niche. But by this time, you've done so much ads and you're professional that you could literally just teach people and they're gonna get results. You've mastered ads so well that you could duplicate your blueprint to the T by literally just telling people verbally how to do it, and they're gonna get results. So that's one-on-one. And as you can see, you go from like 100k, and as you walk up the ladder, you go up to 300k, 600k, and you could make up to $1 million a year just doing one-on-one consulting, which is insane if you do it correctly. And if you watch one of my previous videos, I do a breakdown of like how simple it is to make $1 million a year consulting. Like if you break it down to daily tasks, daily calls, daily revenue, it's more simple than you think. So definitely check out the video. I think it's how to break down your revenue goals, something along those lines. So check it on my channel. And then after one-on-one, you move up to group coaching. This is when your one-on-one advice gets so good, so impactful. You're creating success story after success story, and people are willing to be put in a group to learn your advice. You're that good. And to create a presence and be that good, it takes years. And if you successfully do group coaching, you can make up to $3 million every year. And the last step, online program. Once you've perfected your formula and you're able to create success story after success story after success story, it's so good. You have a clear vision on how to bring someone from unable to reach their goals to bringing them to their goals. You can then document it and create a course, documenting the exact same process you've taken every single person through. You've dealt with so many different scenarios, but again and again, your formula was able to succeed. You can then document that, create a course that will bring you results. And then with a course, you'll be able to scale to, over $100 million a year. That's just how much potential there is. A lot of people are dropping courses And the reason why no one's getting results is because that course isn't tested with hundreds and hundreds of students that they're working with one-on-one. That course is just released and like it's like fingers crossed. That's why I don't really want to release a how to make money course, how to succeed in dropshipping course, or how to run Facebook ads course, just because everyone has different situations and I want to take every single person with their different circumstances to success, dial down a blueprint that will work for each one of these situations, and then create a course. So that's what I'm sort of doing. And yeah, hopefully this video was of interest to you guys. I'm just passing on the knowledge I'm learning. I've been really enjoying these videos because it solidifies what I learn, as well I'm able to share with you guys all the golden nuggets that I'm learning. So if you guys enjoy this video, don't forget to like. If you want to sort of build a personal brand, start picking up clients, start becoming a niche consultant, start offering one-on-one services, sign up for my mentorship application link below, because I've literally made over 6 figures just teaching people how to make money online. And now I want to teach people how to do the same thing I did and use their knowledge in e-com and basically become a consultant and start teaching others and creating their own success stories with their own students. So check out the mentorship below if you're interested in that. Other than that, if you have any questions whatsoever, drop in the comments below. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe because I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Peace.
Yeah, yeah.